The current surge in COVID-19 cases in the area has school districts taking a hard look at their plans for the upcoming school year, especially as the Missouri Department of Education releases new recommendations that largely leave the final say up to those districts. KOIM's Zach Dodge spoke with the Neosho School District to hear what challenges they face as students prepare to head back to school.
The halls of Neosho High School may be empty now, but in just a few short weeks they'll be filled with students, meaning the pressure is on for district leaders to decide how schools will reopen.
Once we started seeing the rise in cases, we had to go back and kind of rethink.
Rethinking those back-to-school policies is what they're in the middle of now.
Just taking in information right now.
On Friday, more information came out from the State Department of Education. They recommend social distancing, having unvaccinated students wear masks indoors and when playing sports, use screen testing, and continue contact tracing. But most of it is just that, recommendations, leaving the final decision up to each school district and local health officials.
I think DESE has realized that communities didn't respond so well last year to some of the mandates and some of the expectations.
Another big change from last year to now, there are some students and teachers who are vaccinated and some who aren't, with different recommended guidance for each. Cummins says navigating that situation without creating division is going to be their biggest hurdle.
We don't want to create a vaccinated versus unvaccinated rift, but by the same token, we want to encourage people to get the vaccine and do things that will help us stay safe.
They'll have to iron it out pretty quickly since they want to have plans finished by August 9th. In Neosho, Zach Dodge, KOIM News.
The CDC has mandated that all school bus passengers and drivers wear face coverings.